This video tutorial is for the Model Calculations mission for the Advanced Developer course. I'm going to open up the model that you would have built if you followed along with the course setup videos. And in this model, we are going to do a couple of things. First, we're going to go to the Calculations workspace, and we're going to create a conversion measure that we will be using throughout the rest of this course, which is technically a type of calculated measure. And we will also be creating a calculated account to group together general unplanned costs as a reporting metric. Let's start with the conversion measure. In here, we're going to add a new currency conversion measure here, and we are going to call this value USD. Make sure that you keep it as one string, but in the description, you can have it spaced out. The source measure is going to be trading value, which is the only standard measure we have in this model, and the target currency will need to be fixed USD. The rest of this can all be the same. You can go ahead and change the formatting settings if you wish, though, to keep the decimal places to 2. And then let's go ahead and save our model. The next calculation we're going to do is a calculated account here in our model. So in the account members section, click on add, and we're going to give this a member ID of calc001 to indicate that it is a calculated account. And then the description is going to be general unplanned costs. And this is a reporting metric that this hypothetical company requires in order to group together difficult to plan for costs, like other activity costs and unplanned delivery costs. You can have calculated accounts roll into different parents of the account hierarchy. Another best practice would be to create a node within the account hierarchy for calculated accounts. In this case, we will just have our calculated account be a root member. I'm going to open up the larger formula editor, and in here I'm going to be looking for the following accounts to add together. The first one is other activity costs plus unplanned delivery costs. And notice how I'm simply typing in the name of these accounts, and the system is pulling that from the list of available model references. And this one I will do by typing in the account ID 659, and there's the rest of it, loss in the event of damage, and then lastly the other operating expenses. And this is the grouping for this hypothetical reporting metric of generally unplanned costs. And I will click on OK. So there we have it. We have created a conversion measure that we needed in this model in order to display values in USD. And we also created this general unplanned costs account member as a calculated account. Make sure to save your model one last time, and you've now created 2 model-based calculations.